Welcome to second year MSc Physics students. So in this class we are going to discuss color centers. So in previous section crystal defects we discussed in previous session. So next topic is color centers. So color centers are the crystal defects which introduce additional light absorption, remission features in crystalline materials because they have electronic properties which substantially deviate from those of the undistributed crystal lattice. So for example, it can occur that an electrically negative ion is missing at a certain lattice position and electron fill the vacancy being trapped by surrounding positive ions. So in other cases ions have migrated to an unusual internetial positions. So color centers are point defects associated with trapped electrons or holes in normal transparent materials. So these centers causes the solid to become colored when the electronic ground state of defect is excited to higher energy state by absorption of visible light. So pure alkali halide crystals are transparent throughout the visible region of the spectrum. The crystals may colored in a number of ways. So first one is by the introduction of chemical impurities and by the introduction of excess of the metal ion. And by the applied X-ray or gamma ray or neutron and electron bombardment and so on. So this color centers by the introduction of chemical impurities. సో ఈ కెమికల్ ఇంప్యూరిటీస్ని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయడం నుంచి కూడా మనకి కలర్ డిఫెక్ట్స్ అనేవి ఫామ్ అవుతున్నాయి. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ an excess of metal ion. So we may heat this crystal in the vapor of alkali metals and the cool in quickly like NaCl, Na plus Cl minus crystal heated in the presence of alkali metals, vapor of the alkali metals, and then cool it quickly. The NaCl is a presence of Na, that means a sodium vapor, becomes the color is yellow. So similarly KCl is a crystal, is heated in by the potassium vapor, becomes a magenta. So next one is X-rays or gamma rays or neutrons bombardment. So by the electrolysis process, the color process, a color center is a lattice defect that absorbs visible light. So by the electrolysis process, a color center is a lattice defect that absorbs visible light. So an ordinary lattice vacancy does not color alkali halide crystals, although it all affects the absorption in the ultraviolet. So next so when some of the energy is applied by the X-rays or by the radiation, they can be created during this crystal growth, particularly under non-ideal conditions such as relatively low growth temperature leading to a low mobility of ions searching for their correct lattice position. So in some cases, thermally induced fluctuations lead to deviation from a perfect crystal lattice. This leads to the substantial color center densities in certain crystal materials such as lithium chloride and zinc oxide when they are heated to high temperature. So there can be influence from higher energy radiation such as gamma rays, which can transfer substantial energy to particular ions, allowing them to move to unusual positions. Their particle radiation can have similar effects. So note that such generation process often create two related kinds of crystal defects at relatively close substances. So unpaired electrons on non-transition metal ions may also produce colors in certain circumstances. This can either happen due to misplacement of an ion or due to the displacement of an electron from radiation. So in the first case, in both cases a color center is created and the unpaired electron can be raised to higher energy levels through the absorption of instant light, as with unpaired electrons of the transition metal ions. Okay, so when a radiation applied to that materials, so there is a probability to jump electrons from one orbit to another orbit. So electrons jump from one orbit to another orbit. So there is a probability for electron jumps, and in the process of this radiation may either absorb or emit a quantum number of quantum or photons of energy. So the frequency nu, then energy h nu is equal to E2 minus E1, where E1 and E2 be the energies of electron in the two orbits. If so happens that for alkali halide crystals, the frequency of this radiation nu is involved in the visible part of the spectrum, like sodium chloride crystal, which is heated with excess of sodium vapor. Heated with the sodium vapor becomes colored. The vacancy created at the site of Cl ion along with trapped electrons is called color centers. సో ఎప్పుడైతే మనం NaCl తీసుకున్నామో, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ NaCl కనుక ఏం చేయాలన్నాడు, మనకి సోడియం వేపర్తో హీట్ చేసినప్పుడు ద వేకెన్సీ క్రియేటెడ్ ఎట్ ద సైట్ ఆఫ్ Cl ion, Cl మైనస్ అయాన్ దగ్గర వేకెన్సీ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది అలాంగ్ విత్ ట్రాప్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. సో ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ తోటి గ్యాప్ ఫిల్ అవుతుంది. సో దాంతో మనకి సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ కలర్ సెంటర్. So generally a crystal is transparent to the visible region range of spectrum. So here the sodium chloride crystal should not absorb visible light and is expected to perfectly transparent. So here the crystal which are colored contain defects known as color centers. Defects in the clusters which absorb light are called color centers. So this is the one of the example for the color center. So when this is one excited state, a conduction bond, valency bond, absorption of energy, E absorption. When point defects in a crystal tap electrons, color centers are formed with the result electronic energy level spaced and optical frequency an optical frequency that is nu. The trapped electron has ground state energy which is determined by the surrounding of the vacancy. So these energy levels lie in the forbidden energy gap, and relatively wide spaced levels change to an almost continuous set of levels which fall just below the bottom of the conduction band. So should the crystal be exposed to white light, the energy excites the trapped electron to the higher energy level, It is absorbed in the process, and characteristic absorption peak corresponding to near visible region appears in the absorption spectrum of crystals with F centers. So F center, this is another type of defect is called metal access defect. So these type of defect seen because of missing of anions from the regular site, leaving a hole which is occupied by electron to maintain the neutrality of the compound. So hole occupied by electron is called F center and responsible for showing color by the compound. Example, sodium chloride impart yellow color because of F center. So generally the name F center comes from the German word for color, Farbe, F-E-R-B-E, Farbe. So we usually produce F centers by heating the F center. We usually produce F centers by heating the crystal in excess alkali vapors by X irradiation. The central absorption band, that is F band, associated with F centers in several alkali halides are you can see optical absorption and energy levels for different materials. So energy levels along x-axis and optical absorption along y-axis for different metals. Like a graph you can observe like this. For lithium chloride, LaCl, at the frequency range, at the wavelength range is nearly 4000 angstroms. For NaCl, this peak value at above 4000 angstroms. For KCl, this is NaCl, this is energy level, energy in electron volts, and this is wavelength lambda in angstroms. For KCl, this is nearly a peak value at 6000 angstroms. So from these diagrams and the quantum energies are listed for these quantum values for lithium chloride is 3.1 and NaCl for 2.7 and KCl for 2.2 and so on electron volts energy. So experimental properties of these F centers have been investigated in detailed originally by Foale. The F center has been identified by electron spin resonance as an electron bound at the negative ion vacancy. So like this, so this is negative, positive missing here. Negative, this is positive, this is negative, here negative missing, negative ions, this is positive ion, this is negative ion, again this is positive ion missing and negative and positive. So plus, 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 plus. So an F center is a negative ion vacancy with one excess electron bound at the vacancy. The distribution of the excess electrons is largely on the positive metal ions adjusted to the vacant lattice site. A negative ion vacancy is a perfect periodic lattice has the effect of an isolated positive charge. So it affects the binds an electron. The F center is the simplest trapped electron center in alkali halides. The optical absorption of F center arises from an electric dipole transition to a bound excited state of the center. So this is the example for F center. So Na plus and Cl minus. So Na plus, Cl minus. So the negative ion is replaced with electron. So when there is an excess of metal ion is a non-stoichiometric compound, that crystal lattice has vacant ion site. The anion sites occupied by the electron are called F centers. The simplest and most studied type of color center is an F center. It is called an F center because its name comes from the Zenman word Fab, which means color. When the crystal are heated in sodium vapor, the sodium atoms are deposited on the surface of the crystal. The Cl minus ion diffuses to the surface and combine with the sodium to give NaCl. This happens by the loss of electron by sodium atoms to form Na plus ions. So the impaired yellow color to NaCl, pink to lithium chloride, and lilac color to KCl by the F center defect. Okay, thank you.